Hello children, good afternoon. Today I am going to teach you chapter 10 in science. The topic is light, sound and force. Children, light is a type of energy and we can see anything in the presence of light. The main source of light is sun. During daytime we can see anything in the presence of sun. But at night we can't see anything. We require some luminous object like torch, lamp and bulb. And in the presence of this artificial light we can see anything. And the next topic is shadow. Children, what is shadow? We know that light can pass through only transparent object, and if there is opaque object, light can't pass, and light always travel in a straight line. When an opaque object come in the way of light, then its shadow falls on the opposite side of the light. Next topic is solar eclipse. Children, solar eclipse is the best example of it. What is solar eclipse? Sometimes we see some part of sun. We can't see the full part of sun. How can it occur? Children, when our moon comes between sun and earth and the shadow of moon falls on the earth, then we can't see the full moon. That is called solar eclipse. And what is lunar eclipse? Children, when the earth comes between the sun and the moon and the shadow of the moon falls on the earth, in this situation we can't see the full moon. That is called lunar eclipse. And the next topic is sound. What is sound? Children, sound is a vibration of something that produce sound. There are two types of sounds. Some sounds are very pleasant and some sounds are not pleasant. Like musical instrument sounds, like the chirping bird sound are pleasant. We can't disturb through this sound. So these are good sound. And some sounds irritate us, like the horn of vehicles, like the noise of people and the noise of some loudspeaker. These can irritate us, so these are called noise. And our next topic is force. What is force? Children, when we pull or push anything and it gives some change in the situation of it gives change in the position of something, that is called force. Force can replace anything and it can also stops the moving thing. That is called force. Children, this is your topic, and now I am sending you the PDF of the chapter and question answer. You must complete it in your fair copy. And one thing more, your second periodic exams is at hand, so you must prepare. Thank you. Have a nice day.